Hello my dear kids! Today we are going to do another beautiful handwork. Okay, now for this handwork you will need some black A4 paper and some spoons. Okay, so better if you can take plastic spoons. For this activity you will also need to find little twigs like this. So first we are going to paste the twigs on the paper. Now for this activity, we will need a big spoon and a small spoon. Okay, now teacher has painted the spoons in black color. Okay, right. So you also have to do that because darling, we are going to make some bats. Okay, right. So let's keep the small one over here and try to attach the ears like this way. Okay, now ears I have made out of A4 paper. Okay, now we know bat is a bird. No, birds have wings. I'm going to attach the wings to our bats. Okay, I have cut out this shape from a black color A4 paper. Now kids, I'm going to draw the mouth of our bats, okay? Okay kids, now we are going to attach our bats to these twigs, okay? You can do it using glue, right? So I'm using binder glue because these spoons, they are heavy and we have to use binder glue, okay? Okay kids, now tell me, at what time do we see bats? Yes, we see bats at the night time, no? Okay, so I'm going to paste a moon in our sky. So if you like, you can draw some stars too. Okay kids, now this is today's craft and teacher would like to see a beautiful bat craft from you all. So don't forget to share a beautiful photograph of your craft. Okay, so goodbye kids.